Who has the best tattoos? ये करते हैं ना,
ये करते हैं। अपना पता था कि पाकिस्तान को हेट करना है, ठीक है, या बचपन से ही तुम्हें बता दिया जाता है।
Salah gave us a reason. स्निकोमीटर, अभी स्निको नहीं बोलते, अल्टी।
अच्छा अल्ट्राइज बोलते हैं।
स्निकोमीटर पहले
स्निकोमीटर पहले था क्या?
हाँ,
अल्ट्राइज नहीं था तब भी। None other than Mr. Steve.
SB
SBI
SB ने
SB against I.
SB against ST.
एक्टिंग अगर हम वो जीतते, आज मैं लाइफ में कॉमेडियन नहीं होता।
Yeah, we are also cricket and javelin nation now.
Actual unfortunate one I feel was Mayank Agarwal.
Welcome, it's Crickheads episode number 13.
1-3, unlucky 13.
Unlucky for some.
Unlucky for all. Actually, yeah, for some.
ये तंबोला में they say unlucky for some, and then someone wins money on that. And it's like, not for me. Jaldi 5 हो गया.
Jaldi 5 is the. I think that's what we should name this podcast. Jaldi 5. In fact, I feel like.
That's also what I call sex.
Oh, that's. I thought Jaldi .30.
yeah. मैं seconds बोल रहा था.
Okay. I was like, यार शामिक बड़ा ये podcast पे क्या कर रहा है शामिक? ऐसे अलग चीजें करनी चाहिए.
But
why is he a cricket fan?
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, episode 13 है.
13 से मेरे को हमेशा मिच हेडबर्ग के जोक्स याद आते थे.
That's true.
और ये आ गई बीच में दूसरी.
Mitch Hedberg. We have, as you know, another podcaster with us.
Her name is Billy Bowden.
Billy Bowden.
The umpire from New Zealand. Oh.
This is fucking.
I hope this has been taken
This
in.
is fucking dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, why is she?
She's like always fucking with
so
me.
violent right now.
Come.
Episode 13 has started on an insane note.
Yes. Now, okay.
So 13.
13 पहले बता कौन है भाई?
Yeah, Munaf Patel.
Munaf Patel.
Munaf Patel खोपड़ी में तेल. 13.
Munaf Patel, is a farmer now or something.
Yeah, that's what I heard. He went back. He was a very chill guy, what I remember from Munaf.
We've gone to the dark web of the cricket subconscious mind where Munaf Patel का नाम आता है. It only took 13 episodes to bring
Munaf
back.
Patel का main memory मेरा वो है कि he used to stop field with his legs. He would never bend down. Good lower back preservation techniques. पैर से boundary में ball रोकता था. Sometimes नहीं रोकता था.
But very slow, man. I remember him being like
his pace
was like some 130 max.
Yeah,
right?
I think when he started, it's the classic Indian bowler story, dude. They
I
found
mean,
him
in the olden times, not in the 2020s.
Not now. Like they found him and they were like, wow, he's swinging it both ways and he's hitting 130, higher 130s.
Yeah.
And then he had one injury and again it became medium, proper medium pace.
And not even too much swing or anything.
Yeah, but he was there he won a World Cup.
Man. Yeah. 2011 he won.
Yeah.
Also, Munaf Patel I remember because the first time मैं जब स्टेडियम में मैच देखने गया वानखेड़े, उसने उसके एक मैच पहले डेब्यू करके काफी अच्छी बॉलिंग की थी इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट. आई थिंक कैलकाटा में या कहीं पे. और मैंने मुंबई वाली मैच देखी थी.
So this was a pre season, मतलब this was an actual game.
Actual game. तो मतलब we were all like backing Munaf.
Yeah.
But उस दिन एंड्रू स्ट्रॉस ने सेंचुरी मार दी और 280 रन स्कोर कर दी उन्होंने एक दिन में. एंड देन वो टेस्ट मैच में पता है हुआ क्या कि वो 5 दिन का था बॉम्बे में एंड आई वाज इन लाइक स्कूल. तो मेरे कॉलेज के जो दोस्त थे लाइक आई वाज इन द 8th स्टैंडर्ड. All my college friends, they took me for day 1.
Okay.
But they were buying tickets for every day and going. And my friend जो day 5 पे गया टिकट खरीदने, जबकि इंडिया हारने वाली थी क्लियरली. उसने पता नहीं उसे क्या होप था कि आज हम मार देंगे. 5th डे पे वानखेड़े में मतलब ऑन दिस टर्नर तो उसने पुलिस के डंडे खाए. अरे यार. और अंदर जैसे मैं इसके खा रहा हूँ अभी
रीएनैक्टमेंट हो रहा है उस सीन का.
और वो जैसे स्टेडियम के अंदर गया हाफ एन आवर में मैच खत्म. सो आई एम लाइक तूने लाठी चार्ज भी. इमेजिन टेलिंग योर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन लाइक कि तुमने देश की आजादी के लिए डंडे खाए और मैंने इंडिया को हारते हुए देखने के लिए.
Back when it's not fair जब तुम्हारी टीम loses in half an hour in a test match day and you still have to pay full day price. It's just not right. It should be time based.
Because तू वापस लेने जाएगा पैसे तो और डंडे पड़ेंगे. तो it's like
the process is the punishment.
Yes. Okay, come again.
Munaf Patel, unlike Billy Bowden over here, Munaf Patel never made a comeback.
Never attacked also this hard.
That's true. You know, Munaf Patel ka final one day match was against England again, I remember.
Was it the 2011 World Cup only?
Not in the World Cup, but same year, I think.
Okay.
And he slipped while running.
Okay.
And just nothing happened. He slipped on his own.
Okay.
On the NatWest का logo. और उसका calf injury और ankle injury हुआ, and that was the end.
Oh.
So like NatWest का ad ended his career.
NatWest, if you want to like sponsor a long-lasting podcast, just like you've been sponsoring the England cricket team.
That's true.
NatWest, get in touch. Or if there is Bandhan Bank, that's also fine.
There is no, NatWest is known for, the most famous thing it's known for is an Indian thing, which is Mohammad Kaif and Yuvraj Singh winning that final.
Exactly. In fact, I didn't know NatWest was a bank till I went to London in 2019.
ऐसे ही होता है sponsors के साथ.
हाँ, like तुम्हें नहीं पता चलता है.
When I was a kid, I thought Wills was just a cricket company. Wills World Cup देखता था मैं, मुझे नहीं पता था.
Cigarette was a surrogate marketing.
Yeah.
तो जाके बोल रहे Wills का बैट कहाँ पे मिलेगा, जरा बताना ये क्या है?
Like ये फूक Wills का बैट. But
even so NatWest. So anyways, Bandhan Bank or Lord Krishna Bank or
every podcast we ask new sponsors.
Karur Vaisya Bank.
Yeah, we are open to one episode sponsorship deals also. It's called rapid sponsorship, like one episode hyper focused.
Oh yeah.
Get your money's worth.
Where all the 1,000 people will open an account. As you know, our fans, let's talk first about the last episode.
Yes.
As we know, we read all comments.
Yes.
The person who wrote ABCD till Z and I love you.
Goat. One of the goat commenters.
Goat of all time. Greatest of all time of all time. You. And the one hater.
Dude, where has this happened? A hater who turned around in the comments only.
Antriksh, do you know this? Yeah, we all saw it parallel.
Yeah, the guy who shat on our podcast 2 times, and then after 1 day gap, he's like, I'm sorry for those things I said. Keep doing the good work.
He slept over it. He introspected. I think he got a therapy session in. Okay, let's see. So, but uska jo criticism hai, ki what is this seriousness and all of this? I just want to tell you one thing, कि हम बस वही सीरीज देखते हैं जहाँ पे हार्दिक पांड्या भी खेलता है.
That is true.
अगर हार्दिक पांड्या सीरियस नहीं है, तो तुम हमसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो?
हाँ, इसलिए मैं अभी fuck, what's his ex-wife's name?
नताशा.
इसलिए मैं नताशा को भी अभी नहीं देखता. हार्दिक भाई नहीं देखेंगे.
हार्दिक भाई के सामने कोई देख सकता है क्या? But okay, having said that, we saw the highlights and in general this is a fun podcast, man. Like तुम लोग इतना क्यों सीरियस हो रहे हैं?
Insights के लिए कौन आता है?
Exactly. इधर हम बकवास करने आए हैं. यहाँ पे बीच में बिल्ली भी आ रही है.
Who starts a episode with Munaf Patel in 2024? No one. Munaf Patel को hiccups आ गया घर पे कि someone talked about
बहुत ज्यादा आ रहे हैं उसको. वो पानी पीते जा रहे हैं, बहुत हाइड्रेट हो गया, किडनी स्टोन.
अभी भी वो एंकल नर्स कर रहा है, एंकल उसको टाइम लगता था रिकवरी में. आई रिमेम्बर. बट
किडनी स्टोन क्योर हो चुका है. बट ओके,
हार्दिक पांड्या क्यों मेंशन किया तूने?
क्योंकि हार्दिक पांड्या भी बहुत कम ही सीरियस खेलता है ना. कभी कभी मन करता है, कभी नहीं. तो तुम समझो उसकी सीरियसनेस और हमारी सीरियसनेस सेम लेवल पे है.
Yeah, he's preserving himself. I like to put it like that.
For what?
That I don't know, but he's preserving himself. Longevity, life.
For a new marriage.
I don't know, but what do you say? Natasha Bhabhi हट गई है. Basically, there's no need for the meme anymore.
Yes, thank God. Yeah, no one made that meme after we won the World Cup because.
But what a crazy.
नई भाभी आ सकती है. There are some speculation. हम कुछ नहीं बोलने वाले. अंबानी wedding, cough.
अनन्य ऑप्शंस है नेक्स्ट पार्टनर के. But speaking of episode 13,
1-3.
The unluck.
Did you guys see that photo that Hardik Pandya posted on Instagram?
What?
On his holiday.
Okay.
That was with so basically Hardik Pandya and an influencer chick from UK.
Okay.
Posted the exact same pic. Like they basically pics with the same back.
From the same place essentially. These are the hints they give you, right?
Yeah.
Man, and they got us, man. Antriksh found this.
Antriksh, how the hell did you find this?
I don't know, just randomly showed up on my
Antriksh doesn't watch cricket, but he knows
you don't know
who Hardik Pandya is having dinner with.
Oh, wait, is this Hardik Pandya dating bomb diggy singer Jasmine Walia?
That's the one.
Vacation photos fuel rumors.
Yeah.
Bomb diggy singer, ये नहीं पता.
Bomb diggy, haven't you heard that song? Bomb diggy diggy bomb bomb.
Oh yeah, of course.
भाई
Hardik भाई kill कर रहा है.
Hardik Bhai is, yes, he's relentless. हार्दिक पांड्या इतनी सीरीज बैक टू बैक नहीं खेलता है जितना वो डेट करने पे लगा है. I'm like,
I mean, he has to. It's like one for you, one for me kind of situation. अभी मैं तेरे लिए सीरीज खेला ना.
one for the kitchen, one for the
exactly
whatever.
What is the other thing? the अरे यार.
It was one for the soul.
Soul.
But
yeah.
for Hardik, it's something else.
But
I don't know why.
Hardik, live your life, man. He
Yes,
won the
Hardik
World
and-
Cup जीत गया, dude. अभी क्या? Dude?
And our commentators, as in like our not
Yeah.
commentators,
Commenters.
commenters, please.
Yeah.
कुछ तुम्हें अगर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव बताना है कि
Yeah.
कोई डिबेट करनी है.
Maybe you can say, tell us which is the next series Hardik should really make an effort for. Why,
Yeah.
when should he make a comeback? Because इसके बाद बांग्लादेश है.
बांग्लादेश
Do
है,
we need
फिर
him?
न्यूजीलैंड है, फिर
न्यूजीलैंड
ऑस्ट्रेलिया है. तो तुम
Yeah.
बताओ वो फ्री टाइम में क्या करे, कौन सी गाड़ी खरीदे.
Or
कौन-
maybe what is the drama that Hardik should do now off stage
हाँ.
that will make another comeback arc in the next
We need
Australia.
like a WWE kind of like a
Yeah.
mad character.
उसका heel turn होते ही रहता है.
हाँ.
वो evil हो जाता है, he becomes good
Yeah,
again.
I learned this term recently.
Heel, right? Yeah. WWE में even I didn't know it. I've just watched it all my life.
Okay.
And
उसमें बोलते हैं क्या heel?
no, it's like behind the scenes.
हाँ.
लोग जानते हैं कि heel is when the person turns into the villain. जैसे
हाँ.
Triple H करता था बहुत time. He was like a hero and then he would say something evil like
Oh.
Austin, Texas में जाकर बोलता है Austin, Texas, you suck. And suddenly boo हो जाता है. That's how he's become a villain.
That's why I used to love Kurt Angle because he
Yeah.
used to take all the hate like
You suck.
Yeah.
Dude, Kurt Angle is. This is WWE because it's so fake
हाँ.
that you forget there is reality. Kurt Angle is a real Olympic
Olympic.
gold medalist.
वो पहन के भी आता था
हाँ,
मुझे याद
and I
है.
used to think ये तो fake ही है अभी.
हाँ, same.
Legitimate medalist.
वही.
That was real?
It was real.
It was real, yeah.
Dude, that's the thing.
Pre-steroid days.
Once you find out WWE is fake, you start doubting the whole of it. Then you realize, no, there is some truth behind it. Like, they get injured. It's
like
real.
Vince McMahon is
Yeah.
a sleaze. There's a lot of
that's
truth
real.
to it.
That's definitely
Yeah.
real.
But
Raw-
having said that,
Yeah.
number 13.
Yes.
That's Mitch Hedberg का joke याद आता है मेरे को जो
Oh,
मैं
the
बोल रहा
13th
था.
floor?
13th floor. People on the 14th floor, you guys know which floor you are really on.
Yeah. Have you seen buildings with no 13th
No,
floor?
I haven't.
I've seen in
तूने
Mumbai.
US में देखा?
नहीं, Mumbai
Mumbai?
में. In I think One World Center or one of those in Lower Parel
Okay.
didn't have a 13th floor.
Oh my God.
Immediately Mitch Hedberg joke है.
One World Center में क्या अनलकी हो सकता है अब?
तो उधर पहुंच गए dude.
Exactly. World Trade Center थोड़ी है वो जो. Oh, okay नहीं. Okay. Okay, sorry.
Always welcome.
But
एक महीना पहले कर दिया ये जोक.
अरे हाँ.
सितंबर में लाना ये.
आज 15th August है. HID everyone hid.
Oh yes, we are recording on Independence Day. That's how hard we work for you guys.
And so the thing is I wanted to discuss is the
Yes.
unlucky. It's an unlucky.
Yes, number 13 unlucky.
Episode is unlucky. The theme.
Yes, so we'll talk about unlucky moments, mainly about Team India, but whatever strikes you. तेरा
Which is-
first क्या है mind में?
मेरा unlucky सबसे बड़ा trauma of course as a 1993 born is the 2003 World Cup.
We all won every game except 2 times we lost.
Yeah, to Australia. Because that has been very deep rooted. I think अगर हम वो जीतते आज मैं लाइफ में कॉमेडियन नहीं होता.
Wow.
और
तो क्या क्रिकेटर होता?
मैं कुछ और होता. Like I would have a winner personality. You know, I have this like
It affected the sort of self-esteem of a whole generation.
often, yeah, and I was a part of it, and I still like can't think about it.
You're right, dude. That's how important cricket is to us because we are a one sport nation until recently. Now we are improving.
Now we are one sport and
We are-
fourth position.
Yeah, we are also cricket and javelin nation.
Ne-
Now we have two things we can do.
Yeah.
And javelin देख के मेरे को लग रहा था, dude. Don't you feel कि I like javelin, of course.
Of course.
But
My most favorite sports.
for it to have an impact, पहले they should get a guy from the crowd to throw it. Then
हाँ.
किसी की कितना कम फेंकते normal लोग, फिर comparison में मजा आएगा
Yeah.
ना कि अच्छा now I'm impressed. नहीं तो
हाँ.
मेरे को लगता हाँ ठीक है, फेंका है, 85, 89, वो क्या है?
मुझे तो डर लग रहा है अपने आँख में कोई ना मार दे अगर नॉर्मल आदमी को बोले like
Seriously, dude.
करने के लिए.
But not very watcher friendly like cricket.
Yeah, even like that shooting. No, sorry, the archery one.
Yeah.
Like they just show them their heart rate and then
Yeah.
they show what happened there.
Bam.
But like in the replay, it's actually more fun
Yeah,
to watch.
I saw in the archery one's very funny one in this Olympics. India was someone and the other team's person. When they show the target, वो एरो आया ही नहीं because they missed the target fully and it went off. That was so funny. They had to zoom out and उधर साइड में एरो लगा.
And you were thinking के लैग हो गया ये.
Yeah,
जियो
yeah.
सिनेमा वापस यार.
जियो सिनेमा what the hell dude.
Yeah, जियो सिनेमा 13 नंबर पे हम तुम्हारे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
तुम्हारा इतना खराब कवरेज है कि एरो ही नहीं दिख रहा है.
एरो नहीं दिख रहा और हम 4th ही आए जा रहे हैं जियो के कवरेज के बाद.
Jio's fault, dude.
Yeah, so now
2003 भी हो गया इनका अभी. Sorry.
2003 for me was that because
Yes.
also there's like see 99 World Cup I remember.
Yeah.
फाइनल में मेरे घर पे मुझे बोला गया था सपोर्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
So पाकिस्तान वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
हाँ तो मेरे को क्योंकि आई वाज लाइक 6 years old तो मुझे पता नहीं था बट इतना पता था कि पाकिस्तान को हेट करना
That's when
है.
you get
ठीक है.
indoctrinated.
Yeah,
Yeah,
बचपन से ही तुम्हें बता दिया जाता है.
Yeah.
एंड देन लाइक लेटर ऑन इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई वॉच पाकिस्तान का उस टाइम का टीम आई एम लाइक दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट पाकिस्तान
Yeah.
टीम.
They
लाइक
had Waqar and Wasim at the
and
time.
Shoaib also. I'm like भाई like I remember Shoaib Akhtar because of that. Like
Yeah.
I was like कि ये एक आदमी है
Yeah.
जिसके लंबे वाले और ये दौड़ के घोड़े जैसे आने वाला है
Absolutely.
धरती हिला हिला के.
धरती हिला के.
तो एंड बाद में मैं देखता हूँ लाइक ओ शिट मैन मुझे उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए था वो
Yeah.
फाइनल के लिए.
And now between Australia and Pakistan, Australia is enemy number one.
An enemy
cricket,
number
for
one in
sure.
cricket, yes.
For sure.
Yes,
Dude.
not in life, guys.
Yeah,
Just
yeah. No, we are no enemies in life. It's just cricket.
cricket
man.
enemies. Yeah.
But yeah, that final they lost. Pakistan got destroyed. I remember
हाँ.
that.
It was a very one-sided
One-sided.
final.
जैसे
So
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ होता ही है.
हाँ तो मेरे को yeah.
Shit.
2003 same shit happened.
Man.
2007 with Sri Lanka and
Yeah.
same Sri Lanka, the pinnacle like most epic Sri Lankan
Absolutely.
team.
Absolutely.
Everybody in form.
Murdered them.
Murdered them.
Just
Same.
crazy.
2015 okay, not so much because New Zealand.
15 was New Zealand in the final.
New Zealand in the final and New Zealand was they were
Dude,
happy
that
to be
was
in
so
the
sad,
final.
that fucking tournament because it was New Zealand Australia, right?
हाँ.
New Zealand played all their games in New Zealand, destroyed
हाँ.
everyone. 200 मारा मार्टिन गप्टिल
हाँ.
ये सब हुआ. Final Australia में है.
को 150 something all out हो गए
हाँ.
no लोग.
They beat Australia in the New Zealand game. Do you remember earlier
Oh,
group
yeah?
stage? One of the best low
Oh
scoring
yeah,
ODI
I
games.
remember
Trent
that.
Bolt took 4 or 5 and Mitchell Stark also all in swinging
yeah.
Yorkers.
And it was a
great
very
game.
low scoring game
Low-scoring
and very close game, right?
It was a deadly game.
That I remember watching highlights because it
Yeah.
was an early morning game.
Correct.
I remember.
I was like, ये मजा है मेरे को ये बैटिंग देख के बोर हो रहा हूँ मैं ये थोड़ा और करो ऐसे.
Exactly. And if you remember, another unlucky thing was Wahab Riaz versus Shane Watson.
What a contest.
I
dude.
still watch that.
Wow. I
once.
still go watch it
It's,
too. And then when he's clapping every time after every ball because he's taunting him for previously
yeah.
कुछ हुआ था उनके
अच्छा
बीच.
previously हुआ था. I thought like he
हाँ.
was just so charged up.
Something had happened. I don't know if Shane Watson, someone had clapped at Wahab Riaz, I think.
Because when the ball like sweet chin music that
Yeah.
was and unlucky because उसका catch उसने
drop
drop
हुआ.
किया.
Dude, that would have changed the game.
Yeah.
Man, that would have changed the World Cup.
Classic Pakistan. Same classic Pakistan we saw in 2021.
Yeah.
No, sorry, 20. When was the last that UAE World Cup? The T20 World Cup. 22, I think.
हाँ जब back to back 2-3 साल में 2 बार.
हाँ, the very forgettable,
Very forgettable.
for India.
Yeah.
There also they I think dropped
This is
the
why
catch.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
When I don't remember tournament, I'm like, अच्छा India was out. already.
Exactly. And people watching remember this.
Yeah.
This is a disclaimer already.
Except
बोलेंगे,
2007, which we left early, and I do remember because it hurt me a lot. Dravid was captain. I was like, Dravid, please, Dravid के लिए कुछ अच्छा होगा तो West Indies में था.
West Indies वाला. I remember, of
फिर
course.
बॉब वुलमर का जो हुआ उसके बाद क्रिकेट ही भूल
उसके
गया
बाद
मैं.
जन्नत मूवी आई थी जिसमें उन लोग ने दिखाया था कि कोच को मारते हैं
अरे
तो
यार.
एवरीवन वाज लाइक अरे ये देख बॉब वुलमर. आई एम लाइक बट ये मूवी 1 महीने बाद आई है.
Yeah, you can't be like they predicted it.
या लाइक ये शूट पहले हो चुकी है तो ये मेरे को समझ बट या दैट वर्ल्ड कप सी 2003 व्हाई इट हर्ट सो मच इज
Yeah.
बिकॉज 2007 हम जल्दी निकल गए.
Yeah.
तुम्हें पता लाइक इट वाज अ शॉक.
Yeah.
आई वुड से लाइक 2007 वाज अ शॉक
Yeah.
कि ये क्या हो गया. लाइक आई रिमेंबर वाचिंग इट एट नाइट एंड लाइक माय पेरेंट्स वर स्लीपिंग एंड इट्स माय 10th standard 9th standard के बाद का वेकेशन एंड आई वाज लाइक crying like
Yeah.
my dad didn't care.
This is 2007.
2007
हाँ.
I cried 2003 of course I cried.
Yeah.
But 2007 I remember
Dude.
crying but then being like कि यार ये तो मतलब
हाँ, it was so early कि मतलब you're just like
ठीक
just not
है.
emotionally invested yet. in the
exactly
full- But I
अब जन्नत देखने जाएंगे like
but I remember the sad thing and it's funny now
हाँ.
कि हमारे because our journalists hype up the team so much before
हाँ.
leaving वो NDTV पे Prannoy Roy had sat with Rahul Dravid I think in in Chinnaswamy, and
Okay.
they've done this whole thing before they go for the send off for the bring us the cup. और वो 5-6 दिन में वापस आ गया Dravid. It was just after all that build
They
up.
got them the Barbados like
Yeah.
tourist mug. They're like that cup we have.
उनको cheap वाला वीजा मिल गया जो in and out वाला वीजा कुछ होगा उनका.
One visit.
Yeah.
So, but see, but
हाँ.
that World Cup I feel like also because of that 2003 वाला बदला वाला सीन था, and again like you said, like वो hindsight में पता चलता है कि वो टीम कितनी broken थी.
True.
कि opening उनको पता नहीं कौन करने वाला है. Like I remember, मतलब इरफान पठान, I don't know if he was there in that World Cup. But
feel like he
but
might
Greg
have
Chappell made so many changes. Like इरफान पठान का पूरा एक्शन चेंज हो गया था, उसको बैटिंग में
that
अब
was
दी
the
ऑर्डर.
Chappell era, man.
So
Oh, God.
वो वाला era बाद में पता चला ना हमें
Yeah,
कि यहाँ पे
कि क्या
exactly
हो रहा है.
हाँ. And the good thing again with 2007 and 2023 and 4 has been that within the next few months we have a cup.
Correct. Then,
So-
then
Dhoni era started.
Thala gave us a reason. But in unlucky मेरे पास 2 और लिखा है मैंने.
हाँ.
ये next one is not India.
Okay.
Last one India.
ऐसे
उसमें
पाकिस्तान भी
आऊंगा
काफी हमने कवर किया अनलकी
True,
because
true.
of catching
वापस.
catch.
पाकिस्तान तो है ही.
मैथ्यू वेड का कैच आई थिंक छोड़ा था
Yes.
या इसमें 2022 वाले में
Yeah.
आई थिंक.
बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ऐसे लक मिल जाता है एक बार इन द 2023 वर्ल्ड कप.
हाँ.
अफगानिस्तान वाला जो गेम
Oh yeah, which you were you there live? No.
You went to watch
No,
it?
no. Someone else went. I thought you.
No,
told
I
me.
didn't go.
हाँ.
Man,
I was watching
Glenn
that match in
Maxwell.
IKEA when I was shifting, and I was like, "Oh, this is over now. I can
Yeah,
shop."
yeah.
And then I get out an hour later.
dude, that's unbelievable what happened in that game.
Unlucky for
Yeah,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, very sad. But हाँ, मेरे पास था 2019 World Cup final, New Zealand. They
Oh,
cannot get
मैं भी लिख के
unluckier
रखा
than
है.
this.
Yeah.
Losing on what? 6s?
Number of boundaries.
Number of boundaries. Come on, man.
उल्टा जितना मतलब तुम रन भागो उसने ज्यादा मेहनत की
Yeah,
है.
give it more credit. dude.
हाँ.
And उसमें वो Guptill ने he threw the ball once and it hit Stokes' bat and
हाँ.
it went for 4. तो
Yeah.
5 runs मिला था मुझे याद है. And I was like, in that moment I was like, ये rule अभी change करो
हाँ.
right now.
A law, you mean?
Yeah,
the
law,
Melbourne
sorry.
Cricket Club will
Yeah,
ban
MCC.
our podcast if you don't call it a law, because laws can be amended, rules
Dude,
can't.
change करना चाहिए I think 100%.
And I didn't feel, I felt bad for them.
Yeah.
But then Martin Guptill direct throw for Dhoni. I remembered in the
yeah.
semis, so I was like, okay.
हमें क्यों मतलब
हाँ.
ये yeah, that's true. And then Trent Bolt took a catch and it was he had crossed the rope. I remember उसमें ये भी हुआ था. On the
Okay.
boundary he caught it.
Okay.
ये सूर्या वाला catch type ही, but
हाँ.
he stepped on the rope or something.
I remember this match because I was in my flight going to London at that time.
Okay.
And एक तो पहली बार one day 2 दिन में हो रही थी पहली
Yeah.
बार लाइफ में. I was like ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
Seriously.
And उसके बाद the minute I landed, I'm like
हाँ.
India lost. I'm like oh shit.
Yeah.
This is like and I think these matches only this 240 250 runs wali.
हाँ.
So I remember there was a bilateral after the 2003 World Cup.
हाँ.
Not bilateral, sorry, tri-series. India,
Yeah.
New Zealand and Australia. TVS Cup.
हाँ.
Still remember it.
Yeah.
जिसमें हैदराबाद में Dravid scored his fastest 50 if you remember.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
He was
that
hitting
series.
it.
उसके final में we needed 235 to win. और साला हम 198 ऑल आउट हो गए मुझे और ऑस्ट्रेलिया ये तो बदला है हमारा.
Yeah.
और उस टाइम पे सीरीज को ना 3-3 महीना लगता था, 2-2 महीने बाद होती थी एक सीरीज.
हाँ.
तो लाइक आई वाज लाइक, एंड मुझे एंडी बिकल था उनमें, उसने हमारी आई थिंक सचिन की विकेट उसने ही ली
Dude,
थी.
Andy Bickle अगर तुम्हें हराता है तो बुरा लगता है. Like the second string bowler basically.
Yeah, in that
In that
Australian
era,
team,
any
yeah.
other era, he would be maybe number
Yeah.
1 bowler.
And South Africa in general unlucky.
Yeah.
As always. This time unlucky for us.
yeah, true.
Actually, we should change number 13
Yeah, it
to
should be
unlucky
South
for South Africa. Actually, everything's unlucky for
But that 2019 final New Zealand England, I remember because I was watching it outside some open mic.
Huh.
And that match was on, and Wimbledon final was
Wimbledon,
on.
and even
Djokovic, Federer खेल रहे थे. It
In
was
fact,
a crazy
even
game.
this was on at that time. Formula 1, Silverstone Park.
हाँ तो बहुत
It
कुछ
was
चल
a
रहा था.
वो सुपर क्या बोलते हैं, सुपर वीकेंड नहीं, वो क्या वर्ड होता है स्पोर्टिंग वर्ल्ड में एक होता है वर्ड
अच्छा.
कि हाँ. तो और मैं तब लंदन में था,
Oh,
तो आई रिमेम्बर कि यहाँ
that's
पे
crazy.
और मैंने ट्राई किया, मुझे एक की भी टिकट नहीं मिल पाई क्योंकि
Yeah, but that Djokovic won, I remember, and मेरे सब दोस्त Federer supporter time. I was just because everyone's a Federer supporter, I was a Djokovic supporter, and he won it in the end. But then New Zealand lost, and I was very sad because Nasir Hussain का commentary, I was England deserved to win. ऐसे बोला उसने. Like कहाँ से deserve
तो हाँ
कुछ भी. But okay, I have one more, and this one is most infuriating.
Okay.
I think you might, if you remember.
Unlucky moments.
It is the Monkey Gate Test match 2008 Sydney. Do you remember? Apart from Monkey Gate, क्या हुआ था उस टेस्ट में? 8 dismissals हुए थे इंडिया के फेवर में. Like 8 wrong umpiring decisions. And I rewatched the video अभी Reddit में, and my blood started boiling. It was pure cheating. अभी तू देखेगा ना?
हाँ. Please ये भेज मुझे.
I'll send you the link. Maybe we'll plug the link also so you guys can.
Art decision, and let me guess who the umpire was.
Yeah, you know
None
it.
other than Mr. Steve.
SB.
SBI. SB against I.
SB against ST all the time. All the time.
Yeah, literally, dude. I will show you my notes. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah.
It's 2003 World Cup, 2023, South Africa always, 2019.
Yeah.
Steve Buckner and Sachin.
Dude, Steve Buckner and the other guy, I'm forgetting some other umpire. They both Ponting dropped, he caught the ball and then he touched the ground. It's clear. And उसने बोला नहीं it's out, and the umpire saying उसने out दिया है, तो he gave it out, dude.
But I can imagine that because like अगर तुम विराट कोहली ने जैसे नो बॉल विराट कोहली को मिला, oh another point, unlucky for Pakistan.
ये सब नहीं बोलते.
Okay guys, comments में बताओ कि तुम्हें क्या लगा, वो वर्ल्ड कप में नो बॉल था या नहीं था ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाला.
विराट कोहली ने थर्ड अंपायर खुद को बुलाया ऐसे कि यार मतलब मैं और नो बॉल दे दिया उसने.
कमेंट्स में बताओ तुम्हें क्या लगता है.
But that is like, see उसको, that's not.
But I'm saying कि Ponting is the same of that era. कि अगर Ponting अंपायर को आके इंटिमिडेट करेगा ना नॉन DRS टाइम तो तुम हो ही जाओगे.
तो है. But Simons was out like 2 times and they didn't give it out. Like it was a clear nick. There was one stumping where the Steve Buckner said नहीं है. And then they did review it and his leg was up and the third umpire gave it not out. अभी मैं देख के मैं शॉक हो रहा हूँ because third umpire कैसे गलत कर सकता है. Even the Australian commentators were like, they was quiet. They didn't say this is wrong.
It was a bad series. Let's just forget. I have forgotten that also from my memory.
Anil Kumble said only one team played
in the spirit of the game. Yes.
और बाद में they interviewed Michael Clark and they said, did you know Anil Kumble said only one team played in the spirit? Then he's like, oh, I don't know. Is he talking about us? I was like, you bastard. उसने 3 विकेट लेके मैच जिताया था. India was almost drawing it after all that shit. उसने 1-2 ओवर में 3 विकेट लिया.
This is pre IPL era man. अभी करके बताओ हमारे साथ कुछ.
भाई अब उसी का बदला चल रहा है.
गैबा में दिया बदला 2018 में 19.
अभी कभी स्निको में बहुत क्लियर आवाज सुना है and then in replay फ्लैट लाइन दिखता है ना, दैट्स आवर रिवेंज.
समझ जाना गन लेके कौन खड़ा है वहां पे.
डिफरेंट फाइल हैज बीन अपलोडेड फॉर स्निकोमीटर. अभी स्निको नहीं बोलते, अल्ट्रा एज. सॉरी,
अच्छा अल्ट्रा एज बोलते हैं.
स्निकोमीटर पहले,
स्निकोमीटर पहले था क्या?
हाँ,
अल्ट्रा एज नहीं था तब भी.
नहीं, स्निको बोलते थे. आई थिंक कुछ चेंज, आई थिंक इट्स अ डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी, समथिंग इज डिफरेंट.
सो काफी अनलकी मोमेंट्स. हां, लाइक मैंने लिटरली ऑलमोस्ट ये सारे लिखे थे एक्सेप्ट द 2000 दिस मंकी गेट वन.
नो, दैट वाज तो वेरी सैड मैन. आई रिमेंबर द एंगर, लाइक व्हाट यू आर सेइंग अबाउट द फाइनल 2003, वो तो है ही.
2023 तो था ही.
आई रिमेंबर 2008 clearly because I watched, that's one of those test matches I watched every day of the game, and every time a wrong decision happened against India I'm like, now winning will mean more. And every time you're getting worse and worse situation mein. And Anil Kumble was so decent ki he is a decent captain. And it was in that situation, maybe I love Anil Kumble, but maybe you needed one guy to be nasty also.
But we didn't have anyone who was nasty in that team.
Ganguly was there. But he was post captaincy era.
Exactly. So he had to like
comeback era था.
हाँ, वो अपने गेम पे ध्यान दे कि अब सामने वाले की मारे. Like सामने वाला easily sledge करके बोलेगा, at least I have a slot in the 11. Like easy sledge back. But I remember, I think after that VB series भी हुआ था, Victoria Bitter.
The one with the 2 finals.
जिसमें सचिन सचिन ने दोनों मैच में अच्छा खेला, जिसमें श्रीलंका ट्राई सीरीज. Another dude, I miss try series man. Try series were the best actually.
But that's gone now. Why don't they do T20I try series? कर सकते हैं.
That's a good idea actually. Yeah, BCCI.
Please, you have the power. Do it.
You have the power and you are watching us.
Yeah.
So you know.
India, England, Australia का try series.
Oh, मजा. India, West Indies and.
Yeah, West Indies.
Yeah, India, West Indies and Sri Lanka in Sri Lanka.
Dude, they should do it like football में Champions League होता है, home and away.
हाँ
तुम यहाँ खेलो, वहाँ जाके खेलो. I know there's a lot of cost involved.
हाँ
But पैसा थोड़ा उड़ाओ यार.
थोड़ा यार इनके पता
स्टेडियम तो फिक्स नहीं कर रहे हो, तो ये तो करो यार.
स्टेडियम के बारे में unluckiest is Indian fans for going to stadiums. I thought we discussed this, इसके लिए मैंने डाला नहीं है उसको. यही वाला. But also I'll say unlucky few players that I feel
Go for it.
did not get like much of a chance. I mean I enjoyed them, so इसमें मेरा bias है. इसमें कोई analytics नहीं है.
Okay, wait a
इसमें
minute.
Wasim Jafar.
Wasim Jafar.
I think he was a good test opener.
Yeah, I vaguely remember. I think now his online presence has overshadowed his career.
But he was, I loved him
He was
batting.
good.
I think he had scored a double century in West Indies on the tough wickets to bat on. I remember, I think 212 मारा था if I'm not wrong.
We had
I'll
a
have
lot
to
of
check.
those openers in one era who used to come and go.
Yeah.
Jafar was one of the better ones. We had Shiv Sundar Das and all, I
Yeah.
remember.
Even Kambli, I was checking, another unlucky player, because Kambli का test average 50 plus है अभी भी. Like I mean अभी भी as in like तभी भी.
अभी भी not out है. अभी कोई बाहर में not out बैठा है कामली.
4 down.
सीढ़ी लेके आया है.
So then him, but okay, चल one actual unfortunate one I feel was Mayank Agarwal.
Oh.
In recent times.
Yeah,
I think उसको Adelaide Test के अपना
उसका timing खराब था, right? For him, like to make it, he's like a, what number does he bat? Like middle order type.
मिडिल ऑर्डर भी किया उसने, ओपन भी किया है उसने. जो फर्स्ट सीरीज ही प्लेड वेयर देयर वाज नो स्टीव स्मिथ एंड डेविड वार्नर, उसमें उसने ओपन किया था. आके मेलबर्न में आके उसने आई थिंक 70 रन समथिंग बनाए थे एंड बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट मैच. एंड देन दिस सीरीज में द फर्स्ट एडिलेड वाज अ 36 नॉट आउट, राइट? हाँ, उसमें डूड आई फील लाइक वो आई थिंक उसको पृथ्वी शॉ काफी लोगों को आई थिंक ड्रॉप किया उसके बाद. आई थिंक ही डिजर्व्ड अ चांस बिकॉज काफी अच्छा प्लेयर एंड स्पेशली इन इंडियन कंडीशंस आई थिंक ही इज ग्रेट स्पिन बैट्समैन.
पर उसका IPL ऑफ लेट आल्सो IPL करियर भी खराब हो गया
इन रीसेंट टाइम्स वो थोड़ा
he had a couple of good years, I think.
Yeah, and I think he had great like test years, I feel.
Yeah.
Like maybe not the best white ball, but I think test में definitely I feel हम लोग ने बहुत easily थोड़े अच्छे players को drop कर दिया.
हाँ.
Yeah, even राने एक दो matches में जब drop हुआ था, I thought
Jinx
was
हो गया.
Dropped in 2000 in some South Africa series where we lost 2-1 and final, the only final we won, like 2 हम हार गए, थर्ड वाले में हम जीते और उसमें राहने था. उसने 48 मेरे को याद है मारा था. And
we are always indebted to Ajinkya Rahane for the series where Virat came back for his child's birth and he took over and we won. That's the greatest series of all time.
Yeah, there is no doubt about it. पूरे बचपन के सारे बदले
सब
रहाणे ने निकाले. Plus I feel like रहाणे के जो small contributions, like we always look at hundreds.
Yeah.
But you need to look at the 40s sometimes. Situation देख के, क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि वो 40s में और कोई सामने वाला 200 मार के बैठा है. तो
और कौन है आज? संजू सैमसन को डालना है.
संजू सैमसन तो खेल रहा है अभी तो
रहने देते. He is currently unlucky ऐसे बोलते हैं. बट हाँ, आई थिंक यही था आज का. कुछ और है क्या?
बुक रिकमेंडेशंस है मेरे पास,
बताना.
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में देता हूँ, लेकिन इट्स अ ड्राई स्पेल गाइस, सो यू गाइस नीड टू हेल्प अस इन द कमेंट्स.
या प्लीज
गिव अस योर ओपिनियंस, गिव अस सम कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियंस, अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियंस.
वी डिडंट डिस्कस दिस एपिसोड, वी विल सेव इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन कि गली क्रिकेट में क्या हमारा एक्सपीरियंस है. वी विल डू इट इन एपिसोड 14, सो यू गाइस कैन शेयर एनीथिंग दैट हैपेंड टू यू इन गली क्रिकेट एंड वी विल डिस्कस दैट आल्सो इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.
यस प्लीज, कुछ भी कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियन है दो, हमारे से कॉन्ट्ररी ओपिनियन है वो दो, ठीक है. एंड थैंक यू ऑल यू गाइज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर कमेंटिंग, बट आई जस्ट वांट स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज लाइक भी करो, क्योंकि जितना हम ये एल्गोरिदम में पुश होगा हमारा तब उतना ऊपर आएगा.
एंड वी विल डू बेटर एंड बेटर.
एंड वी विल
बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड. Research will become better.
Put a best foot forward, unlike some cricketers without footwork. I don't want to name anyone.
And see, we are making an effort. Antriksh, our producers, put so much research into finding out who Hardik Pandya is chilling with.
The only cricket page 3 podcast around.
But that's it for today. Subscribe karo. Smash the like button.
Like को भाई बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्मैश करना,
हाँ.
2 बार मत करना, अनलाइक हो जाएगा.
That's true.
एक बार
डबल
करना.
टैप नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
प्लीज बूमर्स, हमारे बूमर फैंस आउट देयर, बूमर फैंस डबल क्लिक मत करो. सिंगल क्लिक कहाँ होता है, डबल क्लिक कहाँ होता है, सीख लो प्लीज.
डबल क्लिक होता है लैपटॉप, मुझे भी नहीं पता कब होता है डबल
सोच के
क्लिक.
करेगा तो नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
इंस्टिंक्टिवली होता है.
हाँ, तो सिंगल क्लिक करो,
राइट क्लिक करके क्लिक पे जाओ मेन्यू पे.
या तो 3 बार क्लिक करो,
Yeah.
लाइक ऑड नंबर्स में क्लिक करो.
ऑड नंबर्स 13 बार कर दो फॉर दिस एपिसोड.
या एंड जो भी तुम्हें लिखना है कमेंट्स में एक वर्ड करके लिखो. एक्चुअली नहीं, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया लास्ट टाइम. बर्नॉल तक ठीक था, लाइक A to Z एंड आई लव यू.
इट्स वेरी स्वीट दैट यू आर डूइंग इट, बट थोड़ा कुछ एफर्ट भी लगा कि वर्ड्स लिख दो.
हाँ, कुछ ओपिनियन दो हमारे, आपके कुछ भी, मतलब सी इट डजंट हैव टू बी लाइक एनालिटिकल और एनीथिंग. हाँ, बताओ तुम्हें क्या लगता है हार्दिक पांड्या के टैटूज के बारे में.
That's true.
वर्सेस विराट कोहली के टैटूज.
This is a good
वर्सेस सचिन के टैटूज.
Which who has the best tattoos? ये करते हैं ना,
ये करते हैं. हाँ,
यही तो है.
ये तो अंतरिक्ष का फेवरेट टॉपिक होगा टू रिसर्च. सारे टैटू के zoomed in shots लेके आ जाएगा.
हाँ, अनिल भी लाइक ये टैटू कवर हो गया अभी हार्दिक पांड्या का, which he used to have, which means वो it was for fuck, I keep forgetting her name. Natasha, dude.
How do you forget Natasha as a name?
Natasha Stankovic. I can't forget Stankovic.
यही होता है फुटबॉल फैंस के इश्यूज लाइफ में कि इनको मेन नाम नहीं याद रहता है.
भाई फैमिली नाम मेन होता है.
सरनेम याद रहता है.
Because Stankovic, dude, how can you forget that name?
Do you think for Pandya the surname has flipped around to which was Stank?
अरे बाप रे बाप.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
इसका कुछ मतलब stank is like stink.
Oh.
And also a sexual.
Oh, अच्छा, like that one. Okay. थोड़ा टाइम लगा मुझे.
He got that stank.
Like that.
That kind of thing. But Antriksh, luckily he doesn't have a mic right now.
Very good, and I wish I did not like ask him on mic कि समझाओ ये joke, like क्योंकि it was, yeah, they should have passed. Like. Okay.
Like Hardik passes on series. It's like ये वाला नहीं.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it from us, man. See you next episode 14.
GN. Bye.